So welcome to Sakalavidya channel. So good evening all. Good evening everyone. So welcome back to our session. So today we are going to discuss trigonometry and set 2 problems. Set 2 problems means the problems based on specific angles, trigonometric ratios of some specific angles we shall discuss. N Vijaya, Lakshmi, Jaya, Srinivas, Ganesh, Sneha Mistra. Welcome you all. So first question. Right now. First question. Evaluate sine 60 degrees cos 30 plus sine 30 cos 60 cos 60. Okay, Kiran Nayak. Anybody? What is the answer? What is the answer? Evaluate sine 60 degrees cos 30 plus sine 30 cos 60. So first let us write sine 60 degrees values. Sine 60 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2. Am I correct? This is equal to cos 30. And next sine 30 equals to 1 by 2 is equal to cos 60. So first we need to write sine 60 cos 30, sine 30 and cos 60. Very good, Jyoti. Yes. So now sine 60 degrees multiplied by cos 30 plus sine 30 degrees multiplied by cos 60 degrees. So now this equals to sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Okay, root 3 upon 2. Okay, multiplied with the cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Plus sine 30 is 1 upon 2. Cos 60 is 1 upon 2. So let us simplify. So this equals to root 3 into root 3 3 upon 2 into 2 4 plus 1 into 1 1, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 upon 4. 4 is the LCM. So 3 plus 1, 4 upon 4. So you get now 4 1 ja 4. So 1. Answer is 1. Yes, Vijay. Absolutely correct. Everybody. Good job. Sneha Misra, Lakshmi, Kiran Nayak, Jaya, Vijay. Second question. Evaluate evaluate 2 tan square 45 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees minus sin square 60 degrees. Sin square 60 degrees. Okay, let us solve this one. Shall you give any method to solve this problem? Can you solve this problem? Are you able to solve this problem? Okay, first let us write solution. Tan 45 degrees is equal to cot 45, so 1 cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2, whose value is same as sin 60 degrees. So very good, very good, very good, very good. Good try. Now 2 tan square 45 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees minus sin square 60 degrees. Just substitute and simplify. Then you will get the answer. So now the 2 times tan square 45. Tan 45 is 1 square. 2 into 1 square plus cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. So root 3 upon 2 whole square minus root 3 by 2 whole square. So now 2 times 1 square is 1. Root 3 square is 3 upon 2 square is 4. Minus in the similar manner root 3 by 2 whole square is 3 upon 4. 3 upon 4 minus 3 upon 4 both will be gets cancelled. So we have this equals to 2 1 ja 2 plus 0 equal to 2. Answer is 2. Yes, Srinivas, Jyoti, Vijaya, Jaya. Yes, this is the answer. Misra, Soni Misra also. Sneha Misra, sorry. Third problem. Evaluate cos 45 degrees upon secant 30 degrees plus cosecant 30 degrees. Cosecant 30 degrees. Cos 45 upon secant 30 degrees and cosecant 30 degrees. Welcome Jyoti, welcome. Now solution. Cos 45 degrees equals to sin 45, 1 upon root 2. Secant 30 equals to 1 upon cos 30. Cos 30 equals to root 3 by 2. 1 upon root 3 by 2. So this you can remember as 2 upon root 3. So that means if you know the cos 30, secant 30 easily you can write it. So cosecant 30. Cosecant 30 degrees is equal to 1 upon sin 30. So sin 30 degrees is equal to 1 upon 2. So 1 divided by 1 upon 2, that is 2. Now you know the value of cos 45, secant 30, cosecant 30. Let us substitute in this one. Amarjit Singh, good evening, welcome. So now cos 45 degrees upon secant 30 plus cosecant 30 equals to cos 45 degrees is equal to 1 upon root 2 divided by secant 30 is 2 upon root 3 plus cosecant 30 is 2. So this equal to 1 upon root 2 divided by LCM is root 3. So now 2 plus 2 root 3. So this can be simplified as 1 upon root 2 multiplied by root 3 by 2 plus 2 root 3. So this is equal to, you can write root 3 upon root 2 into 2, 2 root 2 plus root 3 into root 3, root 6, 2 root 6. So this we can write like this. Yes, 2 root 6. This is the answer. 2 root 6. Fourth problem. Evaluate sin 30 plus tan 45 plus tan 45 minus cosecant 60 upon secant 30 plus cos 60 plus cot 45 plus cot 45 degrees. Okay. Good. Jaya. Right. Try this question. Try this question. Try this question. Okay, solution. So first sine 30 degrees. Sine 30 equals to 1 upon 2 equal to cos 60. Tan 45 degrees is equal to 1 equals to cot 45 degrees. Okay. Secant 30 degrees is equal to 1 upon cos 30. That is 1 upon root 3 by 2. 2 upon root 3. Next we have cosecant 60. Cosecant 60 equals to 1 upon sine 60. 1 upon root 3 by 2. This will be 2 upon root 3. 2 upon root 3. Yes, let us substitute. Very good, Nana. Very good. Good try. So now sine 30 plus tan 45 minus cosecant 60 degrees upon secant 30 plus cos 60 degrees cot 45 degrees. My dear children, you need to remember all these values. So easily you can find out. Right. So next what shall we do now here? So let us substitute this value equal to sine 30 equals to 1 upon 2, tan 45 1, cosecant 62 upon root 3 upon secant 30 2 upon root 3. This is 1 upon 2 plus 1. Okay. So we need to simplify this one. Let us. Okay. Okay, now we need to simplify this one. Let us simplify. See, now we get 2 root 3 LCM. 2 gets cancelled, root 3 plus 2 root 3. Root 3 gets cancelled, minus 4. Upon, here also 2 root 3 LCM. Root 3 gets cancelled, 2 2 is 4. 2 gets cancelled, root 3 plus 2 root 3. So now 2 root 3 gets cancelled. So now this equals to 2 root 3 plus root 3. 3 root 3 minus 4 upon 2 root 3 plus root 3. That is 3 root 3 plus 4. If you want to rationalize, you can rationalize the denominator, otherwise leave it. So this is the answer. 3 root 3 minus 4 by 3 root 3 plus 4. This is the answer. Okay, fifth question. Evaluate 5 cos square 60 degrees plus 4 times secant square 30 degrees minus tan square 45 degrees upon sin square 30 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees. Sin square 30 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees. So Manoj Kumar, so are you there, all of you? Just till the end of the class you need to continue. So Inter already completed, Harmant Patel actually already completed. So you can watch through playlist. Just type in the YouTube sakalavidya 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B maths, like that. You will be getting intermediate classes. They are available. Already uploaded. Solution. See, cos 60 degrees is equal to 1 upon 2, whose value equal to sin 30. That means cos 60, sin 30 value known. Next, cos 30 degrees. Cos 30 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2. Secant 30 is equal to reciprocal of cos 2 upon root 3. Next we have tan 45. Tan 45 degrees equals to 1. So now as we know all the values, just only the simplification we need to do. Simplification we need to do. Yes. So now 5 times cos square 60 plus 4 times secant square 30 minus tan square 45 upon sin square 30 degrees plus cos square 30. Obviously sin square 30 plus cos square 30 is 1, because this identity sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. But moreover we need to do it. So let us do this one now. Okay, let us find out these values now. Okay, let us see. So this equals to 5 times 1 upon 2 whole square plus 4 times 2 upon root 3 whole square minus 1 square. Tan 45 is 1 upon Sin 30, 1 upon 2, sin square 30 means 1 upon 2 whole square. Cos square 30, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, so root 3 by 2 whole square. This is 5 times 1 upon 4, 1 by 2 whole square, plus 4 times 2 by root 3 whole square is 4 upon 3. So minus 1 upon, this is 1 upon 4 plus root 3 square is 3 upon 4. Right. So everything is completed. You can go Mahesh Peddapati. This equals to LCM is 4 3 ja 12. 4 3 ja 12, 3 into 5 15 plus 3 4 ja 64 and minus 12 upon, here very interesting factor, 4 1 plus 3. This will be 4 by 4, 1 itself only. This is 15 plus 64 minus 12. 64 minus 12 means 52 upon 12 by 4 by 4. This is 67 by 12 by 1. Obviously 67 by 12. This is the answer. 67 by 12. Yes, Rajesh Gaud, Vijaya, Jaya, Lakshmi. Check your answer. Okay, sixth question. Sixth question is very important model. Very important model. Sixth question. If tan of a plus b equals to root 3 and tan of a minus b equals to 1 upon root 3. 1 upon root 3. 0 degrees less than a plus b. A plus b less than or equal to 90 degrees. Next, a is greater than b. Find a and b. These type of questions are very important for sake of board examinations. Board examinations, keeping you of board examination. These questions are very important. See, tan of a plus b is equal to root 3 given. So with the help of this, we need to find out a plus b value. Tan of a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3 given. With the help of this, a minus b we need to find out. Solving a plus b and a minus b, we get a comma b values. Providing this condition, it must lie in between 0 to 90 means a comma b are acute angles. Acute angles. So now the procedure, solution, given write down. That is, the given data is very important for while writing in the board examinations. You may be awarded marks for the given data also. So given tan of a plus b equals to root 3 and next tan of a minus b equals to 1 upon root 3. Enough. This is given data. We have tan of a plus b equals to, so we can write since see tan 60 degrees is equal to root 3. So in the place of this root 3, we can write tan 60. So we can write tan 60. Tan 60 degrees right now. That means this a plus b must be equal to 60 degrees. So we have a plus b equals to 60 degrees. Say equation 1. Say equation 1. And also we have here, see, tan 30 degrees is equal to 1 upon root 3. 1 upon root 3. In the next case, what will you write? Tan of a minus b is equated to tan 30. Tan 30. So we have tan of a minus b equals to, instead of 1 by root 3 we can write tan 30 degrees. Comparing on both sides, this a minus b must be equal to 30. So a minus b equals to 30 degrees. Say equation 2. Say equation 2. Very good, very good. So now the solving 1 and 2. Solving equations 1 and 2. We get a and b. This is our aim. This is our aim. So how to solve? See, a plus b equals to 60 degrees. A minus b equals to 30 degrees. So first adding plus b minus b gets cancelled. A plus a is 2a. 60 plus 30 is 90. So a equals to 90 degrees upon 2. That will be 45. Now put a is equal to 45 degrees in equation 1. So we get like this, 45 degrees plus b equals to 60 degrees. Now how do you find b? Swami Vedrupaka. Sir, how to find log 1, log 2, log 3, log 4, etc. without using calculator? So wonderful question, Swami, you asked. So yes, we can find out log 1. Log 1 is 0. Leave it now. Log 2 is 0.2010. So log 3, log 4, log 5 also we can find out with the help of logarithmic expansions. Logarithmic expansion formula we need to remember. You will get the log 1, log 2, log 3, log 4, log 5 values for the Napier base. So Napier base means in logarithms you have change of base rule. With the help of change of base rule you can find out. Swami, I have seen last time you asked one question also, wonderful question. Please try to chart in the, rather than this chart, it is a regular class, 10th class. Better in offline session if you just write it. After completion of this session, in the description box you can find out chart session. So just you chart in that one. Definitely in the next class I will react with you. So wonderful question you asked me. So now b equals to, transposing 45 this side, 60 degrees minus 45. 60 minus 45 is 15. So hence both the values have been evaluated. A is equal to 45 and b is equal to 15 degrees. I hope you might have understood this method. This is very, very important. Okay. Sixth question. So now the seventh question, right on. Is it true to say sin of a plus b equals to sin of a plus b equals to sin a plus sin b? Is it true to say sin of a plus b is equal to sin a plus sin b? So actually, whether sin of a plus b equal to sin a plus sin b, we need to check it. So in order to check, one counter example is enough. One counter example means we need to prove that, take one example, it is incorrect. If it is incorrect for all values, it will be incorrect itself only. So otherwise it will be true for all the values. To say it is true or false, just one example is enough. That means you take a is equal to 30 and b is equal to 45. Substitute in the left hand side, in the right hand side. If left hand side is equal to right hand side, then we say that sin of a plus b is equal to cos of a plus b. Otherwise, the statement will be false. So let us say now. So that means this problem should be done using counter example. This is one of the ways of proofing, the methods of proofs. Okay, now let us solve it now. Okay. So let us consider a equals to 30, b equals to 60, or a is equal to 30, b is equal to 45, a is equal to 60, b is equal to 40. Better you take like this only. A is equal to 30 and b is equal to 60. Only 30, 60, 30, 60 you select it. So now take left hand side. This is left hand side. LHS, sin of a plus b. Sin of a plus b equals to sin of 30 degrees plus 60 degrees. You get sin 90 degrees. Sin 90 degrees is equal to 1, you remember. This is LHS. Now you come to RHS part. RHS means this part. Sin A plus sin B. Sin A plus sin B. Sin A plus sin B means sin A, sin 30 plus sin 60. Sin 30 is 1 upon 2. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So 2 is the LCM. 1 plus root 3. 1 cannot be equal to 1 plus root 3 by 2. 1 cannot be equal to 1 plus root 3 by 2. Here LHS does not equal to RHS. So therefore sin of a plus b is not equal to sin a plus sin b. Sin a plus sin b. Hence this statement is false, not true. It's a false statement, not a correct statement. Yes, false. Okay, eighth one. Is it true to say cos of a plus b equals to cos a plus cos b? Cos a plus cos b. So will you try this question? Will you try this question? So will you try this question? Very good, Sneha Misra. False. Bollam Jaya. Okay, solution. Let us consider A is equal to 30, B equals to 60. Right. It is not the formula for compound angles. Okay. Now left hand side. Cos of A plus B. So this is cos of 30 degrees plus 60. Cos 90. Obviously cos 90 is 0, sin 90 1. So now right hand side, RHS, cos A plus cos B, cos A plus cos B. Cos A plus cos B means cos 30 plus cos 60. Cos 30 is root 3 upon 2, cos 60 is 1 upon 2. This will be root 3 plus 1 by 2. Root 3 plus 1 by 2 never be 0. So LHS does not equal to RHS. So therefore cos of A plus B does not equal to cos A plus cos B, which should not say like this. Hence this statement is false. This statement is false. So, ninth question. Sneha Joshi says the value of sin theta increases as theta increases. Do you agree with her? Justify your answer. Justify your answer. Justify your answer. Sneha Joshi says the value of sin theta increases as theta increases. Do you agree with her? Justify your answer. It's true. It's true. Okay. Vijaya says true. Okay, let us see now. First, let us write the values like this. You take theta values like the theta is equal to 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. Write down respective sin theta value. Sin 0, 0, sin 30, 1 upon 2, sin 45, 1 by root 2, sin 60, root 3 by 2, sin 91. See, slowly as theta increases to 0 to 30, 30 to 45, 40, 60 to 90, slowly the value of sin theta increases from 0 to 1. So that means it's absolutely correct. It's absolutely correct. So as theta increases from 0 to 90, then sin theta also increases from 0 to 1. So therefore, yes, I agree with Sneha. Yes, I agree with her. You need to justify the answer like this. No, not false. You need to agree with her. Right. One more thing. 10th question. 10th question. 10th question. Bollam Jaya says the value of cos theta increases as theta increases. Do you agree with her? Justify your answer. Justify your answer. Justify your answer. Okay, now who will justify? Lakshmi, you will justify. Are you there? Swami, that's why only, but 90 to 180 that increase but value decrease. That's why only I told you, might have seen Swami, 0 to 90 only I considered. Because in 10th class we discuss up to only acute angle 0 to 90 itself only. So if you say 90 to 180, that comes in the, I know, the second quadrant. In second quadrant, sin theta cosec theta is positive. Rest of things are definitely absolutely correct for me. So you might have not seen. Just verify what I have written. This is very important thing I have written. 0 to 90. So then sin theta also increases from 0 to 1. I clearly mentioned, not to get any ambiguity. Right. No sir, I don't agree with her. Very good, very good. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. So now the solution write down like this. Now consider theta values write down. 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. Respective values of cos theta write down. Cos 0, 1, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos 45, 1 by root 2, cos 60 is 1 upon 2, cos 90 is 0. See, decreases. As, see, this value is increases, you put this symbol. The symbol is increases. Then the cos theta value decreases. This symbol is for decreases. Decreases. Ninth question is not false, not false, not false. True only. Yes. So write down like this now. As theta increases from 0 degrees to 90 degrees, the value of cos theta decreases from 1 to 0. So but what does Jaya say? Jaya says that increases, so false. So therefore no, I do not agree with her. I do not agree. So please check it in for sign 120. So Jaya, that's why only I have written actually, see, 0 to 90 only I am considering, not 90 to 180. 90 to 180 you absolutely are correct. You are correct. You are correct. What Mr. Swami said also correct, same thing itself only. Insane instance, sir. Congratulations in advance for 100k subscribers. Not like that, Nana. Still, we need to work it out. Still more not subscribers actually. So if you share to some others, it should be beneficiary to the others. Then I feel happy, rather than getting even 100k subscribers. So 11th question. Okay, if cos of 40 degrees plus x equals to sine 30 degrees, then find the value of x. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. This is the question. Yes, it does not satisfy all the conditions. So provided it is in between 0 to 90 itself only, that will be the true or false. But we have been discussing, we are confined to constraint to only 0 to 90 degrees Bolam Jaya. So very good discussion today I had. Mr. Swami and yourself, everybody is. So you need to chart like that. We should have the healthy atmosphere to have the discussion. Swami, what is Vedrupaka? What is meant by 20? I don't have the idea. Oh, answer is 20. Wonderful, 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 wonderful. Yeah. So now what is given? Given. Swami, where are you from? Can I know? Actually, you might be the some faculty I know. I think you are the teacher or something lecturer. Cos of 40 degrees plus x equals to sine 30. See, this sine 30 equals to 1 upon 2. This 1 upon 2 also equals to, in terms of cos also we can write 1 upon 2 is cos 60. Am I correct now? Instead of 1 by 2, you can write cos 60. Yes, yes, yes. So that implies we have like this. Cos of 40 degrees plus x equals to cos 60. So comparing on both sides, you see, you get this 40 plus x equals to 60. So 40 degrees plus x equal to 60. So transpose this 40 this side. X equal to 60 degrees minus 40 degrees. You get 20 degrees. So therefore, x equals to 20 degrees. This is the answer. Everybody is correct. Everybody. Wonderful job. Okay. Are you ready? 12th question. 12th question. Oh, diploma. Very good, Swami. Very good. But you have the good logic, Nana. Continue, continue. So we cannot say that cancel cos on both sides. Better actually compare. But in general, formally we can say by cancelling cos on both sides. But we are not supposed to say that word, Nana. So that's why I don't use that word. If sine of a plus b equals to 1 and cos of a minus b equals to 1, then find a and b. But condition must be given. So I will give the condition also, but only just the hint this is. 0 less than a plus b less than or equal to 90. This is the condition. That means a comma b are both here acute angles. Acute angles. So here also Sneha Misra. Oh, 45 degrees. Sine of a plus b is equal to 1 and cos of a minus b is equal to 1 given, and you are asked to find out a and b. So I already told you these type of questions are very, very important for exam point of view. Exam point of view. Okay, solution. Given sin of a plus b equals to 1. Okay, next, cos of a minus b equals to 1. So since we have, see, sin 90 degrees is also 1, please remember, and cos 0 degrees also 1. That means here write down sin 90, here write down cos 0. So now we can have like this, sin of a plus b equals to, so instead of 1 in terms of sin, that will be sin 90 degrees. So now the comparing these two values, a plus b equal to 90. So that implies we get a plus b equals to 90 degrees. Say equation 1. Say equation 1. Yes. Yes, PHR. So now cos of a minus b equals to 1 should be replaced in terms of cos, that is cos 0 degrees. So comparing here, a minus b equals to 0. That implies a minus b equals to 0 degrees. So solving 1 and 2, we get both the values of a and b. So please give a tough question. Definitely I will discuss the tough questions, Nana. First, let me discuss the basic questions. This is level of board examination. After that, definitely we shall discuss tough questions. Sneha Misra. Okay. Solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. We get a and b. A plus b equals to 90 degrees. A minus b equals to 0 degrees. Adding this. Plus b minus b gets cancelled. Yes, I teach even 11th JE means even Eamcet also, Nana. 2a equals to 90 degrees and a equals to 90 degrees upon 2. So that will be 45 degrees. Now put a is equal to 45 degrees in equation 1. So we have 45 degrees plus b equals to 90. B equals to 90 degrees minus 45. So you get obviously 45 degrees. So therefore A equals to 45 and B equals to 45. Both are equal. See, 45 plus 45 is 90. Both are A comma B are complementary also, we can say. A comma B are said to be complementary angles also. Okay, 13th question. Let me discuss 13th question. 15 tan square theta plus 4 secant square theta equals to 23. Then find the value of sec theta plus cosec theta whole square minus sin square theta. Here hint, theta is acute. are 0 less than or theta less than 90 degrees. Thank you. Thank you for your comments. Okay, Sneha Joshi, are you there? Sneha Joshi, are you there? Thank you, Ganesh Yadav. Thank you, Ganesh. Okay, so first 15 tan square theta plus 4 secant square theta is equal to 23 given. With the help of this one, first let us find out tan theta value. How could you find tan theta value? Means secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. You can find out tan square theta. So that you can find out tan theta. With the help of tan theta, theta value will be obtained. After getting theta value, substitute in this one, you get the value of sec theta plus cosec theta whole square minus sin square theta. It is my plan, but your plan may be some other way. So okay, let us implement my plan here. After that, try your plan. Given, what is given? 15 tan square theta plus 4 secant square theta equals to 23. These kind of equations are called trigonometric equations. In actually 11th standard intermediate, you are going to study about the trigonometric equations in detail, but we discuss something. So we have the relation secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Am I correct? Yes. So secant square theta equals to, we can write 1 plus tan square theta. So let us substitute. So now this is 15 tan square theta. Okay, having been replaced secant square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. 4 times. So 1 plus tan square theta equal to 23. So we need to solve it now. 15 tan square theta plus 4 tan square theta equal to 23. 15 tan square theta plus 4 tan square theta, 19 tan square theta. So 23 minus 4 is 19. So tan square theta equals to 19 upon 19, 1. So tan theta equals to square root of 1. See, check, theta lies between 0 to 90. That will be positive only. Tan theta is equal to 1. So tan theta is equal to 1 means tan theta is equal to, you can write tan 45 degrees. So therefore we get theta is equal to 45. But what we are asked? Yes. Let us check it now. So we are asked to find out now sec theta plus cosec theta whole square minus, this is our aim. So minus sin square theta we need to find out. So let us substitute theta value here. So this equal to secant 45 plus cosecant 45 whole square minus sin square 45. Okay, let me write the values once again for your better understanding. Sin 45 equals to 1 upon root 2. Am I correct? 1 upon root 2. X Mokshit Reddy, you are the visiting professor. Right. So now the sec 45 degrees equal to cosec 45 degrees equal to root 2. Okay, let us do the problem now. Root 2 plus root 2 whole square minus 1 upon root 2 whole square. Root 2 plus root 2 is 2 root 2 whole square minus 1 upon root 2 square is 2. Let me explain. 2 root 2 whole square means 2 root 2 multiplied by 2 root 2. See, 2 into 2 is 4. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. 4 into 2, 8. 2 root 2 whole square is 8. My dear children, see, you remember the simplification. So 8 minus 1 upon 2. Yes, 2 is the LCM. 16 minus 1. Absolutely correct you are. 15 upon 2 is the right answer. 15 upon 2 is the right answer. Yes. So tomorrow onwards I will discuss more, even some difficult problems also. So thank you. Bye bye. See you. So we shall meet you in the tomorrow class. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Thank you. I think today you enjoyed a lot.